fingerprint easten. Bar ends, Savage, wrecked. Teco, brake lever, straight cable. So headset, easten, stem, easten. No forks, easten, 2011. Curb monkey wheel, blank sprocket, no sprocket, sorry, rim, and Quanda hub, as you can see. So I'm going to go from this middle now. Easten pedals, so easten cranks, easten cranks, easten sprocket, no blank sprocket, sorry. Right, to the seat now. I'm gonna Savage pivotal seat, plastic, purple, purple seat post, Savage, easten seat clamp. Now tyre, easten, burnout tyre. Now blank rim and Quanda hubs and spokes. Cassette. That's my bike check. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to BMX Smurf 98. That's it really. Thanks.